Hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you now how to download Amazon Prime Video and some other great apps for your new Android TV device. Click on the Elite installer. I'm sorry, I clicked on Google Play. There we go. Click on the Elite installer. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Download Amazon. Download and install. Again, if you see the internet you failed us, read the bottom. Please be patient while we talk to the internet. Check back later. It means set the remote down, give it a few seconds, let it do what it does. And just like that, a couple seconds later, you can now install Amazon Prime Video. Alright, now that we're done with Amazon Prime Video, next thing I want to show you is Locast. So go ahead and get back out, go into the Elite app. Again, scroll all the way back down to the bottom. Locast is an app that gets you your local channels, your free-to-air channels, such as ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox, PBS, My, and CW channels. So download and install that, just the same as you have the others. Once it is done, go on ahead and install it. All right, now that that's done downloading, let's open it up. Go all the way down to login with activation code. All right, so what you're going to do is go to locast.org/activate on either your cell phone, tablet, or computer. Type in the goofy code, which is case sensitive, the YPNUCE. In your case, whatever alphanumerical pops up on your screen, whatever your code is, it's all unique. And set up a free account and activate it on your box. We'll go ahead and do mine right now. All right, YPNUCE. All right, mine has been activated. Give it a couple seconds. It's going to detect right where you are. Therefore, Phoenix local channels. Dr. Phil, East Within, CBS, AZ7, me, PBS, NBC, and so on. Click on it. It does have a TV guide. You will always get this video right here trying to convince you to donate. Locast is a nonprofit bringing your free-to-air channels to you via streaming. So if you want to donate to them, scan that little barcode and donate them $5. If you don't want to, you don't have to. You just won't get rid of that little donation bar at the bottom. But that's Locast. You can change the cities. You will need a VPN to change the cities. We'll show you how to download a VPN in our next video. Thanks for watching, guys.